and today we're gonna be making some cloud dough. Yeah.
Cloud dough.
For the first time, we've never done this before. We're also making something else later. I made it up. So first, we're gonna take 1 cup of our flour over there, and we're gonna pour it in. Okay, pour it in, girls. I wanna mix this already. Okay, so now we're gonna take half a cup of conditioner and just pour it in. No, don't use conditioner. Conditioner is not good for you.
That's good for you to be badly healthy.
What is that?
Badly healthy.
Yes, exactly, Paisley. The recipe basically says just like mix it until it's a dough. So I feel like we need more conditioner. I don't know.
I don't think you guys scoop the conditioner out of this.
Oh, it's getting dough. It's getting doughy.
Did you turn on this camera?
Oh, not yet.
No, never did. I'll turn it on.
Yeah, so we have another camera. It came from mom's phone. We forgot to turn it on.
It doesn't.
Oh my gosh, it's turning into dough.
Mine's not. It's still flour.
Just keep mixing. Okay, you know what we also can do? We can just like literally ditch these and use our hands. Let's
Ew! It's so clumpy and chunky.
mix it with your hand.
Oh. Ooh.
Okay, so we found this recipe on Pinterest. I found it. I don't know if it's fake or not. It might be. So this is really sticky. Wait, I gotta stand up for this. It feels like when you're washing your hands.
And you got way too much soap on your hands.
Conditioner, not washing your hands. It feels like you're washing your hair. Yeah. It's very.
I can't get this off my hand. Okay, it's turning into dough, but I need this to be not as sticky.
Paisley, are you enjoying this?
Yeah,
Your face says otherwise.
I'm having a bath right now. Yeah, thank you for my new
Alright, you gotta like scoop around the edges and like get it together.
Get it together, Paisley.
I think it's because
You can have me. Alright, you're good.
I feel like I need more flour. I don't know.
You might.
We might need more flour. I think it lied to us. We might need to add another like half cup, or what's half of a cup?
Wow, you should know this.
What half cup?
Quarter.
A quart is when you go to the judge thing and they hit the hammer on the table really hard.
Alright, we're adding about like a quarter cup more of flour because it's being really sticky and mean to us.
I didn't get any.
We got our supplies at the Dollar Tree. We went today. I trying to make small talk with a camera. Why am I having the most success and non-success at the same time?
So mine is kind of.
Is yours dough?
Yes, you need more flour.
I do. Okay, so our mom had to come in and help Paisley because Paisley's 4 and she doesn't really know what she's doing. We have 3 different types of dough right here. We use the exact same measurements. This is perfect. It's perfect. Don't change it.
I think it's a little.
Adalyn's tell me about yours, Adalyn.
Mine is turning into dough, but it's still super duper.
Yeah, hers is turning into dough. If yours is completely sticky like mine, you need more flour, which
So scoop.
I don't know how that's possible. Our mom is the best. She helped us.
We helpless.
Video.
Yes!
Video.
She helped us because we're helpless.
Okay, this is. Oh.
Yeah, we are here to help. If you saw a thing on Pinterest like I did, we're here to say that sometimes it doesn't work.
I can like make this a pizza dough. See my fin. Perfect. Can't you see my fin?
Your what?
The skin.
Your skin, yes. Yeah. You can't see my skin at all.
Your skin is like buried.
My skin is buried in whiteness. we went to the Dollar Tree looking for food coloring because it said food coloring was optional. We were like, we want ours to sparkle, and Paisley was like, I want mine yellow, and I was like, I want mine red, no.
I want mine pink.
Yeah. So when we got there, we went all up and down the aisles. Some aisles we didn't need to go up and down because some were like ceramic glass and stuff. Would you find food coloring in the ceramic glass aisle? I don't know. Yeah, we didn't.
Let me know what you say.
No.
Look,
So yeah, food coloring is optional. I don't know what it will do to your cloud dough.
You're having a problem if it's not.
I am having a deep bad problem.
Is it more?
The whole point of this is just get more flour. I want to go wash my hands because the sticky stuff is. Hi!
Emmerie,
I feel
yours
mine.
is nice.
I'm feeling a little naughty. I'm gonna get more.
Oh, I haven't
Even though
done
mine's
it without
perfect.
the stuff all over my hands. It feels so nice.
Paisley,
It looks like we're like
in
making
the middle,
pizzas.
there.
Pizza.
Okay, you see this? You see this? Look how amazing this is.
Mine is
Anymore.
pizza.
No.
Yeah,
Okay. Calm it down. Thank you. I'm gonna make you a pizza in return for making me a pizza.
Pizza.
You made a pizza? Oh, that's so cool. You guys think we're almost done? I'm just gonna get our bag.
I would like with your name and flour. Okay.
Okay, bam. All right. We're gonna do a transition. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we're gonna try. Okay. Okay. So yeah, it's not clean. So this is what we're making. I already made it like a long time ago, like a few hours ago. So what we're making this with is flour and water. So last time I didn't use complete measurements. I just did whatever I wanted. But today we're gonna use real measurements. So we have half a cup of flour, a quarter cup of water. So we might be adding more.
Oh, and I put salt and pepper in it. So.
Oh yeah, I went crazy and I put salt and pepper and olive oil in it. So
Mix it up.
things look cool. So let's start. Wait, are we recording on this one this time?
Mom.
Nope. Okay.
Mom.
All right, now we are. Okay. Now we're ready. First, what we're gonna do is we are gonna take our. What did I use first?
What?
We're taking our flour.
And flour. Okay.
Pour it slowly. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a tiny bit of our water and pour
Paisley,
it in.
don't do all your water.
Just a tiny bit.
Okay.
And then,
Okay.
That's okay. That's okay. It's
There
just
we
start stirring that.
We actually might need more water, so Paisley.
Yeah, we definitely do need more water.
And water, okay?
Yeah, you already did it. You're steps ahead of us, Paisley. We're working it out.
It's mine and not to.
Don't worry what it looks like right now, girls. Adalyn watched me do this.
Okay,
I need more flour.
So do I.
Hang on.
Yeah, this is.
Hey, it's the zip line from Home Alone. Oh no, the zip line broke. Oh no, it's deja vu. I got deja vu.
Yeah,
You can't see my skin at all. Do you get deja vu?
I
can itch on my nose.
It's wet. You don't really want to do that.
I had an itch on my nose, and then it went up my nose, and then I breathed it in. What should we call this? This can't just be Emmerie's recipe. This is flour and water.
What?
Okay, bye. All right, so this was the end. Maybe we can come back and make moon dough next time.
Okay.
So yeah. Bye. 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 Next, we're gonna take this, Paisley. I'm gonna help you. We're gonna take half a cup of conditioner.
Blooper. Pause there. Literally don't move. Don't move. Freeze.